guys, welcome to my channel, and this is my monthly favorite video series, and in this video I'll be showing you my favorite products for this month of April. For that, I'd like to remind you that hit that subscribe button and click on the bell next to it, and you'll be getting all the notifications of my videos. So let's get into the video. So my first favorite product for the month of April, being summer, I went for the Tan Clear, and it's Lacto Tan Clear. I bought it from Amazon and it cost around 145 rupees, and yes, 145 rupees for 100 grams. Contains geranium oil, milk, coconut oil, vitamin E acetate. If you go with my reviews, this is the best Tan Clear I have ever used. It vanishes your tans like this, and this is the perfect. I love it. I've used it many times. Let me show you how it looks from inside, and this is how it looks, and I've already started using it. This is how it looks from inside. Although it doesn't smell so nice, I mean, not so bad, not so good, but I'm seriously in love with the results of it, and it's must have product for the month of April and for all the summers. Yes, if it finishes, I'm definitely going to buy it again and again. I'm in love with it. This product is a kajal, and this is HR Studio Gel Eyeliner Cake, and this is how it looks. I bought it from Gaurav Tower and it was around 250 or 280 rupees, something like that. And at the back it has all the directions how to use it. And let me show you from inside. It comes with a very cute little brush, and the packaging of the bottle is also very nice. It has actually two compartments and very cute little brush. This is the gel kajal it has, and along with it, it also has a black eyeshadow for smoky eyes. Well, this is the brush that comes along with the kajal and eyeshadow combination. This is how it looks, and it has two tips. It has HR written on this. This is the flat brush for the application of eyeshadow on lower lashes, and on the other tip it has angled brush for the winged eyeliner. This is how it looks. By the way, I am using the same kajal and eyeshadow right now. Moving to the next product. My next favorite product for the month of April is its HR lip balm. It is a very soft tinted lip balm. It looks like white from inside, and let me show you the color. Initially when you will apply it, it will be pure white, and then later on, I mean within 5-10 minutes, gain its color and will give your lips a very soft baby pink color, which is perfect for office wear and for everyday wear also. I love this lip balm and carry it in my purse permanently, and I always have 2-3 more in stock. So whenever one finishes, I always have another one handy with. Now moving on to my next favorites, which is very cute little these studded earrings, and I don't have much to say about it, but it's very high quality, and let me show you how it looks. This is how it looks on me, and I think it's perfect for the evening outfit where you don't want to do much and just need a little bling in your outfit. I think it's perfect for that. I think I should keep it on in my rest of the video. My next favorite is this cute little keychains. Well, that was really funny. Well, coming to my next favorite, it's these cute little nail paints. These both are matte nail paints. My next product is sandal and turmeric mask, and this is how it looks. Its smell is very mild and gives you a very cool and calm effect on your face. And based on my experience, I can say that this is the product worth repeat buying. Coming to the next product, which is Biocare's Foot Spa Cream, and I have started using it, and this is how it looks. I'm sorry I cannot show it to you properly because it has very thin consistency and it might fall down. I'm sorry, I don't want to clear that mess. So I've started using this product and its fragrance is nice, but I would not recommend this product because it's not worth buying and it is just like any other thick body lotion. Please note that it's not going to do any wonders to your feet, and according to it's a complete wastage. I'm definitely not going to buy it again. Coming to the last product, this is Biocare's Hair Repair Spa Protein Treatment. This is how it looks, and let me show it to you from inside. I already went out of it and I'm very happy with this. That is going to finish because the fragrance is very nice, very mild. I'm using it since 15 days I think, and whenever I shampoo my hair, I usually do it twice a week. I apply after shampooing my hair. It does not give that bounce to my hair which other conditioners and other spa creams give to me. So I'll not recommend this, and for me this is definitely not a repeat purchase. So that's all for my April favorites. Please guys tell me how do you like my videos. Give your comments in the comment section below. Follow me on all the social medias like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and Snapchat. So I'll be linking all my social medias in the description box below. So please follow me and stay connected. Bye bye.